3, part number D. Part D. E is equal to, angle E is equal to 15 degree. Angle F is equal to, 105 degree. And EF is equal to 5 centimeter. EF is equal to 5 centimeter. Now first of all I shall draw EF 5 centimeter. So I shall draw EF 5 centimeter long. This is E and this is F. Now on point E I shall draw angle of 15 degree. So to draw the angle of 15 degree, first we shall draw angle of 60 and then it will be divided into two equal parts. It will become 30 and then 30 will be divided into two equal parts, so which will become 15 degree. So first of all I shall draw angle of 60 degree. So you shall open the compass, but you will not move the compass then. You cannot decrease or increase the length of the compass when you draw an arc. So I have opened the compass just like this. Now this is angle 60 degree. Now I shall divide this 60 into two equal parts. This is it will become 30 degree. So this 30 will also be divided into two equal parts. I shall draw an arc here and I shall draw a line temporarily. This is the angle of 30 degree. Now I shall divide this 30 into two equal parts, which will become 15 degree. So this is it will become 15 degree. This is a 15 degree. This is nearly equal to 15 degree. Now I shall draw an angle of 105 and angle on point F. On point F. Then I shall draw. I shall extend this line. Now on point F I shall draw the angle of 105 degree. So I shall open the compass. So this is equal to 90 degree. This is equal to 90 degree. Now from here this is 60 degree. 60 plus 30. We have divided the 60 degree into two equal parts, which become 30 degree. Now it means that from here to this point it is a 30 degree. Now I shall also divide this 30 degree into two equal parts, which will become 15 degree. Now I shall divide this. So this is 90 degree. 90 plus this is 15 degree. So when 15 and 90 are added, it will become 105 degree. It means that this is a 105 degree and this is a 15 degree and this is 105 degree and this is the given triangle. Now the construction. So the first step in construction is I I draw EF is equal to 15 pi for centimeter. I have run EF as 5 centimeter. Now on point then I draw an angle of 15 degree. 15 degree. This is the, let's suppose that this is G and this is the H. This is I. Then I draw an angle of 15 degree at point E and draw E H and draw E H. Now on point F, then on point F, I draw an angle of I draw an angle of 105 degree. 105 degree and draw J F J. This FJ cuts EH at point I. EFG is the required triangle. So you should learn how to draw the different angles, because it's a great technique that how can you draw 15 degree or 105 degree. So it's very easy. These angles can be drawn very easily. Thank you.